Every man has his secret sorrows which the world knows not, and oftentimes we call a man cold when he is only sad. For after all, the best thing one can do when it is raining is let it rain. Silently, one by one, in the infinite meadows of heaven, blossomed the lovely stars, the forget-me-nots of the angels. If we could read the secret history of our enemies, we should find in each man's life sorrow and suffering enough to disarm all hostility. I do not believe anyone can be perfectly well, who has a brain and a heart. Every heart has its secret sorrows which the world knows not, and oftentimes we call a man cold, when he is only sad. A torn jacket is soon mended, but hard words bruise the heart of a child. We judge ourselves by what we feel capable of doing, while others judge us by what we have already done. The heights by great men reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward in the night. Art is the child of nature in whom we trace the features of the mother's face. Give what you have. To someone, it may be better than you dare to think. The heart, like the mind, has a memory, and in it are kept the most precious keepsakes. It takes less time to do a thing right than to explain why you did it wrong. If you would hit the mark, you must aim a little above it. Every arrow that flies feels the attraction of earth. Sunday is the golden clasp that binds together the volume of the week.